भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं।
Because many times we fool ourselves. We say, yes, I need this much food, or I need my 7 or 8 hours sleep, but really, it's just we're rationalizing.
Determination of taking food? No. What is your question?
Can we trust our own rationalization? Can we trust our own self in trying to determine how much
that must be, rationalization must be there. But if you commit mistake by taking less food, that mistake is not bad. Don't be determined to take more. Suppose you have taken some food which is less than what you ought to take, so that mistake is not bad. But rather, if you take more, that mistake is bad. So rationalization, if you think that your rational activities are not proper, then you commit mistake to this side, less. Don't commit mistake to the other side. Yes. No, that confidence, rationalization is always there. But one should be intelligent enough how much he requires to eat to keep his body fit. That is there in everyone. Generally, there is no mistake. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.